souls that are lost and crying, rails of sin on their evil names. Watch out, brother, for that long black train. Look to the heavens, look to the sky. You can find redemption, step back to your eyes. There is protection and there's peace the same. Burn in your ticket for that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord I sing. Victory in the Lord. Pray to the Father and His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. On that long black train, making you wonder if the ride was worth the pain. He's just waiting on your heart to say, let me ride on that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord I say. Victory. It sounds so good, but I must stay away. That train is a beauty, making